Hi, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to teach you an easy way to create a drip effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, select the Magic Wand tool. Press the Select Subject button. Now go to Layers and create a new layer mask. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard and resize your image. Press Enter when you have the right size. Go to File, click the Place Embedded button and import your drip picture. Lower the opacity so you can see through the drip layer. Go to the drip and resize it over your subject. Make sure you cover every corner. This is very important. Once you are done resizing, go back and turn the opacity back to 100%. Click left on the first layer, then right-click and choose Rasterize the layer. Click on the bottom of the drip with the Magic Wand tool to select it. Right-click and choose Similar. Press Delete on your keyboard. Go back to the drip layer, right-click and choose Select Pixels. Now go to Select and press Invert. Go back to the drip layer and turn it off. Now select the layer mask. Go to the Brush tool and make sure the front color is black. Start painting and remove the bottom of your subject. Make sure you remove everything. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Create a new layer and drag it underneath your subject layer. Go to the adjustment layer and create a gradient. Click on the gradient bar, go to Basic and choose the right one. Double-click on the small square and choose the color you like. Press OK when you're done. Change the style from linear to radial. Click on the reverse button and change the scale to 81%. Lastly, go to the Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white, right-click, and lower the hardness to 0%. Draw a big circle and hit Ctrl+T on your keyboard to resize. Hold the Alt key to make the circle flat, drag it underneath your subject, and resize it until you're happy with it. Hit Enter when you are done. And there you go, an easy way to create a drip effect to your pictures or your client's pictures. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next Photoshop tutorial.